Hi, in this video, we will learn about pending for finishing under services workflow. Now, why do we need pending for finishing stage and what is the use for it? For an example, you have a store and you don't want all the garments to be ready automatically. So we need at least one single stage for tracking. It helps us to have the actual or the correct status of all the garments. In another example, you have a service which needs a single stage for tracking. A perfect example would be steam ironing. It is done in the store and it requires only one single stage. Now, how do we configure this? We need to move to super admin to configure services workflow. Log into super admin, navigate to master services to access the services screen. Now, click on the service you want to edit. I am selecting steam ironing. Now we need to click on this view edit service workflow link. I clicked on it. Now out of these 4 different workflow, I am selecting the third one, pending for finishing status. Now click on save. Once again, select if you want to apply the workflow in all the store or maybe on a selected one. Click on save, update. Now we have 2 services, alteration, in which service workflow is that it will make garments ready automatically, and we have steam ironing, which will use a single stage pending for finishing for garment tracking. Let's see the impact of these 2 services in store. Here in the store, I am creating an order for a shirt for alteration and once again a shirt for steam ironing. Now we have 2 shirts, one for alteration and the second one for steam ironation. Now if I search for this order number 16 on delivery screen, we will see that one of the shirt is ready, the shirt which we booked for alteration, and the shirt for steam ironing is under pending for finishing stages. You can access this particular stage pending for finishing from process pending for finishing. As we can see, we have a shirt of order number 16 is available in this screen for steam ironing. We will understand about these screens in another video. I hope it is clear to you how to configure a service or maybe all the services to use pending for finishing stage. Thank you.